Hey there, my name is Peggy from the Readymode Professional Services team. Let's grant access to the office map to allow a user to monitor and assist your team on their calls.
First, let's ensure that Sign In as Admin is toggled off on your sign-in screen to allow us access to the office map. Click Sign In now. Under Reports, we're going to click View Office Map. Once your office map is open, we're going to navigate to the small green box in the top left corner to open up the Share settings. Once you have opened up your Share settings, we're going to go under Share with a User and select the user you wish to grant access to. You're going to click the tilde key twice under Read, Write, and Delete to give them access to the office map. Click the X in the top right corner, and they're all set.